The fuck you think you're doing?
I'm winning.
Fucking son of a bitch. You're a fucking cheater.
Give me the wine.
I think I'll just let my boys decide.
Frank Grillo.
Can I get a large bottle of that baijiu? You know what? Make it 2 large bottles.
What's up, pretty boy?
I'm stuck in the death loop because of you. Exactly.
Nobody leaves until the game is finished.
You buy a Ferrari when you want to be someone. You buy a Lamborghini when you are someone.
Lights Out is a 2024 American action thriller film directed by Christian Sesma.
Here's your fucking money, Max.
Duffy, an ex-soldier with post-war psychological issues, comes to LA. He gets into a fight in a bar, and beats up some bullies. This fight impresses Max, an ex-con and manager of underground fighters. Max convinces Duffy for a partnership and it turns out a success, but eventually pitting them against corrupt cops and criminals.
Last night I did what I had to do. That's it.
Yeah, I understand that. But you got a lot of anger inside you.
This is a B-grade movie, not that terrible, but watchable, by taking some pain, for killing some time. This movie got its own share of cliches.
The loser is the guy at the morgue. Are you ready? So let's fucking fight! Yeah!
Direction is below average. Christian Sesma is directing movies for more than a decade, still he didn't get the craft right. The war sequences, the underground fight scenes, and the dialogues, everything is below average.
It's triple or nothing. He keeps all his money, he walks away.
You're a beast.
I basically watched this movie to see some well-choreographed fights from Scott Adkins, but disappointed. He got a little role in this movie. The lead actor Frank Grillo can act decently, compares to other B-grade movie actors. Here, his camaraderie with Mekhi Phifer is the best part of the movie. His chemistry with Peeples is also not bad.
For everything. Fixing the house. I appreciate you.
Other notable performances from Jaime King as the corrupt detective. She was intense. Paul Sloan as her colleague, Dermot Mulroney as the crime boss, and Amaury Nolasco as the organizer of fights, are also not bad.
You're a smart woman, Rachel. And a mom. You want what's best for her, right?
The cinematography is very ordinary. The background music is also ordinary. Technically this is a bad movie, but somehow the pair, Frank Grillo and Mekhi Phifer together, made it watchable. I would rate this a 4.1 out of 10.